Today, we will learn the sounds of letters with X symbol. Are you ready? Let's go. A is for apple. Apple. S for ball. 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 B ball. B is for cat. 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 C cat. E is for dog. D dog. D dog. D dog. E is for egg. 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 E egg. F is for fish. 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 G is for grapes. 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 Hen. 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 I is for ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream. J is for jam. 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 K is for king. 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 K. King. L is for lamp. 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 M is for moon. 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 N is for net. Net. N. Net. O is for ox. 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 P is for pear. Pear. Q is for queen. Queen. R is for rose. Rose. R. Rose. S is for sun. Sun. T is for train. Train. T. Train. U is for unicorn. Unicorn. V is for van. 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 W is for wheel. Wheel. X is for X-ray. X-ray. Y is for yo-yo. Z is for zero. Zero.
One sun in the sky.
O-N-E. One tongue.
Two cute shoes.
T-W-O. Two.
Three buzzing bees.
T-H-R-E-E. Three. Four. Open doors. F-O-U-R. Four. On. Five. Jumping frogs. F-I-V-E. Five. On. Six. Colorful bricks.
S-I-X. Six.
Seven. Flying kites. S-E-V-E-N. Seven. Eight. Yummy grapes.
E-I-G-H-T. Eight.
Nine. Bouncing balls. N-I-N-E. Nine. Ten. Little hens. T-E-N. 10.
111, let's spell them too.
11, let's spell. E-L-E-E-E. And 11.
1, 2, 12, it's fun.
T-W-E-L-V-E. 12.
1, 3, 13, hop.
T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N. 13.
1, 4, 14, jump and stop.
F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N. 14.
1,
5, 15, clap your hands. F-I-F-T-E-E-N. 15.
1,
6, 16, let's run fast. S-I-X-T-E-E-N. 16. 1, 7, 17, touch the sky. S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-E-N. 17. 1, 8, 18, wave goodbye. E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N. 18. 9, 19,
stomp your feet.
N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N. 19. 2, arrow 20, hooray, we're neat. T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20.
Great job, kids, you spelled with me.
See you next time and keep spelling with me.